The Engineering Design Challenge has been a long-running outreach activity in which we try to engage high school students in some activities and exposure to technologies that will serve multiple purposes. We want to expose them to the skills that they'll need to be successful. We want to get them excited about pursuing STEM careers. We want them to know who we are and that we're here and that there are opportunities available to them to pursue that dream of becoming an engineer or a scientist or a technologist right here on the Armstrong campus of Georgia Southern. Coaches get experience in project management, in mentoring.
It has been eye-opening to say the least. So I was just hoping to teach them how to do basic measurements, how to use a set of calipers, how to use the basics of SolidWorks and 3D modeling in general. And one thing that I've been able to do is expand that and actually encourage them to expand what they're trying to accomplish with the project.
One group is redesigning a water filtration system.
We still don't have clean drinking water throughout the world. We proved that we can come together and actually make the world a better place. Teach them 3D printing, teach them to run CAD software. It's really not as difficult as people try to make it out to be, but it would be a great skill to introduce people to.
It's just a really great opportunity to get out in the community.
It's worth it, it's fun.